What if you could build an entire website, a game, or even automate your next big online project without ever writing a single line of code? That's not a fantasy. That's Opera Neon, the world's first AI-powered agentic browser just announced today, and it's about to upend everything you know about the internet. Could this end manual coding forever? Is Neon about to destroy the old internet and hand you a new kind of digital superpower? And is this the start of a browser war that could reshape how we all use the web? In this video, you'll discover why Neon is the talk of the AI world, what it can do that Chrome and Edge can't, and how you can leverage it to be years ahead of everyone else. Before we dive in, subscribe and tap the bell icon right now. This is the only channel that brings you breaking AI news first, every single day. You do not want to miss what's coming. Let's get into it. Chapter 1. The Agentic Revolution. What is Opera Neon and why now? Let's get real. Web browsers haven't changed in decades. Chrome, Edge, Safari, they all let you search or browse, but none of them can truly act for you. But Opera just flipped the script. Opera Neon isn't just a browser, it's an agentic browser, meaning it doesn't just wait for your clicks. It takes action autonomously to deliver real results. So why now? AI has exploded, but until today, no browser dared to put a fully autonomous AI agent at the core of your online experience. Neon is that leap. Here's what makes it revolutionary. Generative AI built in. Neon is powered by cloud-based AI models trained to understand not just what you want, but what you need next. Browser Operator Agent. This is Neon's brain, a personal AI assistant that can carry out tasks, learn your habits, and even automate your workflow. On-device privacy. Unlike most cloud AI, your sensitive browsing data stays local unless you decide to share it. That means you get powerful AI without handing over your life to big tech. But most importantly, Neon is proactive. It doesn't just answer questions. It generates, creates, researches, and builds sometimes before you even ask. Imagine the difference. Chrome waits for your Google search. Neon says, "Why search when I can build the answer for you?" This is the new arms race for the web. Who gets the first true agentic browser to the masses? Could control the future of the internet. Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you think agentic AI is the next frontier. Chapter 2. How does Opera Neon actually work? The anatomy of an AI browser. Let's break it down into real steps because Neon is more than just a chatbot stuffed in a browser tab. Step 1. You command Neon X. You don't need to be a coder, designer, or even tech-savvy. You just type, "Build me a website for my new bakery. Make a playable chess game with my logo. Find and book the cheapest flight to Paris next weekend." Neon understands your request in natural language, no jargon required. Step 2. Contextual awareness and deep learning. It reads your command, scans your browsing context with your permission, understands your past preferences and patterns, and then it decides on the best way to fulfill your request. Example, ask for a website and Neon will. Choose the right web framework, fetch images, generate text, write, test, and optimize code, and deliver a live, fully functioning site all in seconds. Step 3. Multi-agent automation. While one agent builds your site, another could be hunting coupon codes, while a third agent summarizes the best tech for your needs. This is like having a team of expert developers, researchers, and shoppers all working just for you, inside your browser. Step 4. Privacy by design. Sensitive tasks never leave your device. Only you decide when and what to sync to the cloud. Step 5. The learning browser. It picks up on your habits, your favorite sites, your most common requests. Next time, your AI agent can anticipate your needs, even suggesting projects before you ask. Can you even imagine? The learning browser is now a reality. Question: would you trust an AI browser to automate your business or creative projects? Let me know below. Chapter 3. What can Neon actually do? Real-world demos, use cases, and mind-blowing scenarios. Enough theory, let's get to the good stuff. What can Neon actually do right now? Here's a taste of what early users are reporting. Build complete websites in minutes. Describe your idea. Neon instantly codes, designs, and publishes a full-featured website. From business pages to wedding sites, portfolios, or online stores, no coding required. Generate and share games on command. Want a Tetris clone or your own puzzle game? Neon builds it, customizes the graphics, and gives you a working link to share or embed. No downloads, no setup. Autonomous shopping, booking, and scheduling. Neon can hunt down the best deals, find and apply discount codes, compare products, book hotels, flights, and events, all while you focus on other things. Real-time research and summarization. Reading a complicated legal document? Neon will explain it in simple English. Need to prep for a test or meeting? Neon summarizes key points and even generates slides. Learning, customizing, and automating repetitive tasks. From filling out forms to automating your morning routine, news, emails, reminders, Neon can streamline your entire digital life. But that's just the beginning. Imagine these scenarios. A single parent builds a website for their new business while making dinner just by telling Neon what they want. A student creates a science quiz game to study for finals, generated in real time by the browser. A small business owner automates all their invoices, shopping, and social media posts using simple voice commands. The possibilities? Literally endless. What's the first thing you would build if you had Neon? Share your ideas. I'm reading every comment. Chapter 4. The Browser Wars. Why Google, Microsoft, and Apple are on red alert. Let's talk power and disruption. Opera Neon isn't launching in a vacuum. Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Apple's Safari have ruled the browser world for years. But with Neon, Opera is going on the offensive, and the big players are scrambling to respond. Why is Neon such a threat? It's the first browser to make AI agents the default, not a side feature. It bypasses traditional search, threatening Google's main business. It can perform and automate tasks even Chrome extensions struggle with, and it's launching as a premium product, signaling serious investment and confidence. Industry response. Google is rumored to be building a Gemini-powered Agentic Chrome update to catch up. Microsoft is working to integrate Copilot into every layer of Edge, but it's still mostly about search, not do. Apple is keeping plans secret, but leaks say Safari's next version will have on-device agent AI. Why you should care. If Neon succeeds, every major browser will race to add AI agents faster, more personal, and more capable than ever before. The days of clicking through menus and tabs could be over. This is as big as the shift from dial-up to broadband or mobile-first design. Opera Neon could spark a new browser arms race that makes you, the user, the real winner, because the competition will drive innovation to levels we've never seen before. Question: will Neon become the new king of browsers, or will Google and Microsoft fight back even harder? Who will win? Place your bets in the comments. Chapter 5. The Big Picture. Opportunities, risks, and what happens next. Let's zoom out. Neon isn't just about a new tool. It's about the future of how we work, create, and live online. Major opportunities, empowering non-coders. Anyone, anywhere, can now build, launch, and automate like a pro. Productivity explosion. Entire businesses and creative projects can go from idea to reality in hours, not weeks. Education. Students can generate study guides, build interactive projects, and learn digital skills, no coding background needed. Entrepreneurship. The next wave of startups could be built in browsers by AI, reducing costs and raising competition. Potential risks and challenges. Job disruption. Some web developers, designers, and even digital marketers could see work automated away. The pressure to upskill is real. Security and privacy. As AI agents get smarter, so do hackers. Ensuring privacy and fighting bad actors will be a top priority. Quality control. If AI builds everything, will quality and creativity suffer? Who reviews the AI's work? What happens next? AI-first internet. Browsers will become your digital command centers, powered by increasingly powerful agents. Human plus AI teams. The most successful people won't be those who fear AI, but those who collaborate with it. Prompt engineering revolution. The hottest new skill? Learning how to talk to your browser and agents to get the results you want. This is your chance to get in at the ground floor. The AI browser revolution is starting now. If you want to be a leader, not a follower, hit subscribe now. Drop your thoughts, questions, or wildest dreams in the comments. I'll feature the best in my next video. This changes everything. Don't blink. There you have it, the biggest browser announcement of the decade. Opera Neon isn't just a new tab on your screen, it's a doorway to the future of AI-powered creation, automation, and digital freedom. By the time you see this, the race has already begun. Are you ready to lead, or will you be left behind? Subscribe now to get every breaking AI update first hours, days, even weeks before the mainstream. Smash that like if this blew your mind. Drop a comment. Would you let Neon code your business, your project, or your next big dream? Turn on notifications so you never miss a single twist in the AI revolution. I'll be here tomorrow with more breaking news, more mind-blowing demos, and more secrets you need to know to stay ahead. Stay curious, stay bold. The future belongs to the brave, and you just unlocked the next level. See you in the next video.